How to screenshot WhatsApp view once? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to screenshot WhatsApp view once. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp, sign in to your account. Now open the chat where you have got view once. So you have to remember that WhatsApp has built-in security that detects and blocks any attempts to take a screenshot or record view once media. If you try to take a screenshot, you will likely see a notification or message indicating that it's not allowed. So simply it's important to respect the sender's intention when using View Once media, as the feature is meant to provide an extra layer of privacy. So if someone sends you View Once media, respect the privacy and trust they have placed in you. If you need to save or discuss important information, it's best to ask the sender for permissions or request the content in a format that can be saved. So that's all. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.